Not this carburetor.
So what are you doing?
We're putting an Lectron carburetor on one that's totally set up. You don't have to do anything. Supposedly.
We'll see about that.
Call us. Don't touch it. Call us. Don't adjust it. Call us. Just don't do anything. But call us.
Just ride it.
Yeah, a likely story.
What is that, a flange it came with?
Yeah, it's shorter. This one is the stock one. And this one is the aftermarket one because the Lectron carburetor is longer than the stock one. So you have to have a shorter boot.
And what's wrong with the throttle tube?
Well, the ODL grip and the throttle won't come off. And you have to use the throttle body or the throttle housing and cable that they sent. Which is cool.
How long does it take to do this?
Oh, like an hour. Everything takes an hour.
An hour.
Specifically with Lectron.
Hello customer, thank you for purchasing a Lectron Carb. We highly recommend that you install the carburetor, start the bike, warm up the engine, set the idle, and ride it. If you have any issues, call us before touching the carburetor. It was tuned and set up before we shipped it to you. Please review the information below. Regards, Jeff Slavens. If you have any issues like leaking, not running properly, etc., call us. Do not take it apart. Call us. Do not adjust the float. Call us. Do not adjust the metering rod. Call us.
Right.
Who are you going to call?
Nobody.
Jeff Slavens.
Nope.
Do you know what you're doing?
No.
Are you capable of opening a package?
No. You should get him on the phone, as I don't know what the fuck.
You can't say that. This is YouTube.
What?
You can't say fuck.
You can't say...
I don't know. You probably can.
Really?
Yeah. But I have to say it's not made for kids.
That sucks. Just put it on the fucking website.
There you go again, you sailor.
Oh, yeah. You know what you're doing.
I was about to ask you the same thing. So what'd you do? Thread the throttle cable into the slide? And there's no jets in this carburetor?
Negative, Ghost Rider.
So how does it meter the fuel?
Well, hold on. I will show you. Once I get this on.
You need new shirts.
Speak for yourself.
This is a holy shirt.
Yeah, because I'm doing dirty work. Why fuck up a good shirt?
Because that's like 2008 graphics. You have 2010, 2012, 13, 15, 17,
I wear them
19.
until I can't wear them anymore. Get my money's worth. Let's double check the tightness. Tight.
Yeah. How many Newton meters did you tighten that to?
Okay.
People are going to watch this video and be like, what? How many carburetors does it take to make a KTM run?
Okay, can you see in there that flat spot?
Yes.
Okay, that flat spot is, it gets wider as the slide goes up. That's what meters the fuel. It gets thinner as the slide goes down. So as the slide goes up, you get much more of an opening and more fuel, less fuel, more fuel, less fuel. And then it's got this fancy jet thing on top, which it like shoots fuel in.
Super technical.
Yeah. The hell?
Butterfinger. What's up, Steven Seagal? You guys are right. Contact cleaner.
It just slid right in there.
I don't think you can say that either.
Slid right in there? Why?
Are we talking about bikes?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what are you doing?
I'm just tightening up the
Flange boot.
intake boot. Is that carburetor straight? Yes, it is straight. We need to make it tight because it's very slippery.
Contact cleaner.
Come on.
Come on, Cohagen.
Give those people air.
You got what you wanted.
Persuade the rubber.
Do you need help? You need to go up more.
Nope, the boot is not on over here.
Sure.
Come on.
Now you're moving the whole carb.
Yeah, I know. Whole video of me taking apart that KTM.
Yeah,
I
she's
still have it
posted.
on my phone.
So why do they make the float bowl clear?
I don't know.
I don't know. There's a level on it, so you can make sure it's not
All
too
the
high.
guys at Lectron and ask them.
Yeah. Hey, do you know how to do this? There's a thing called Google. Get on your computer or your phone and type it in. Works like magic. Here's a little level indicator. I guess it's kind of cool. You get to see it in there.
Good thing I watch TV, huh? That's how tight you do it. Right.
What does the throttle cable?
Yeah, it goes right there in this little clip. That's where the old one was. All right. Is the carburetor? Are you okay? Okay. I'll lower it, put the throttle tube on, and give it a try.
Yep, start it. Call us.
Nice. Okay. I'm gonna laugh if it starts leaking.
Not funny.
Yeah, funny.
What happened in stock carburetor? The float needle got messed up?
Float needle inside just will not stop the fuel flow. It won't stop it. It's leaking.
And it's on back order with KTM till March 2021. Right.
Somebody in the United States has to have one.
Yeah, but they wanted too much money for it. It was like $80.
Really?
Yeah. Put it towards a new carb.
Ooh, domino throttle. Unboxing.
Unboxing.
The unboxing of the throttle.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, domino and domino grips. Made in Italy. Doc, all the best stuff's made in Japan. Is there a cam already in it?
Maybe this is for the okay.
Do you know what you're doing?
Haha. They give you one extra.
That's nice.
Oh no, that's two. There's two. Utah, two. What the hell are you?
Yeah, you have a staple in your glove. Right there.
Ooh.
Yeah. You just threw it.
Mm-hmm.
How dare you?
We don't need that.
Nope, already on it.
What is this for? What is this for? This is an adjuster for the... Okay. We put this on here.
It's a very long screwdriver you got there.
Why, thank you.
Too long for this job, in my opinion.
What do you know? Okay. Oh, we need to move some stuff inwards.
Why is that?
Because we just need to move the start button just a hair.
Were we too far out?
Just a little bit. All right, let's see what happens when we tighten it up. Anybody comments on the negativity of me using this, their comments getting deleted.
Yeah, comments are turned off.
Fuck you!
You can't say that.
Oh. People say it all the time. I don't understand.
Yeah, probably. Are we gonna be PC?
Of course it's a 13 millimeter. Crazy Europeans. Okay.
We're both European. Pull the choke.
There is no. Oh.
There's a choke.
Choke. Of course it's on the other fucking side.
No, that's a bummer. Stock, it was on the right side.
Whoa!
coming. Yahtzee!
Hey, look, it's not leaking.
No, leak that.
Tight.
Come on.
Whoa there.
Butterfingers.